Well, Tesla showing off its long-awaited Cybercab at the company's first product unveiling since 2019. Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramania is here now with more, with three of the biggest takeaways from the event. 2019, really? Was that how long ago Cybertruck was?
That was the Cybertruck,
Wow. Okay.
reveal event. There've been other events in between, but
Sure,
I guess
yeah.
not a major product. But yeah, I mean, a couple things here. I mean, obviously, you mentioned the Cybercab. It's actually here. It's actually real. It's not an AI-generated image. Musk got a ride in it to the actual event stage. So we got to look at that kind of diminutive little like Cybertruck-esque looking pod-shaped thing. No scissor doors, which is pretty cool, but no pedals, no wheels. Our steering wheel, trying to really go for full forward here with a robotaxi. The question is, is it fully ready? How long is that going to be? 2026, 2027 is when they might produce the vehicle, so we'll see about that. And also $30,000. That's another thing we'll see about that, right? What else caught my mind was the robo-vans. At the end, they pulled out the robo-van, which is this monolithic-looking cargo thing that can hold 20 people, no windshield, no visible wheels. Sort of like out of like Blade Runner the movie, right? So there it is right there coming on stage, and 20 people kind of got out of it. So that thing was a little bit of a surprise. Again, no details on how much it's going to cost.
It looks like it's out of Back to the Future.
Yeah, I think Kara Swisher called it a toaster. So we'll see.
Too.
So we'll see what the deal is with that. Is it just pure vaporware, never going to come out? We'll see. Finally, for me, the big takeaway though was no Model 2. Right? There was talk of that. They might reveal this cheaper Tesla EV, the sub $30,000 EV, that volume vehicle that Tesla needs to sort of really get back on that growth train. We didn't see that. Now it's possible that Cybercab might be the underpinnings for that Model 2. It might share some components and maybe the body. So we'll see if that's actually the case. But Tesla said we'd see that vehicle by the end of this year, and time is running out. So that was a big question mark for me.
Yeah, and I think also the big question is just how realistic these timetables are just overall. And I think that's also reflected in the stock price that we're seeing here this morning.
Yeah. We always knew it was going to be a solid news event, right? Because of just the expectations and things like that. But, they say they're testing unsupervised FSD in California and Texas next year. How far along is that software? Where's the ride summoning app? Why people were asking, why haven't we gotten to see that or use that to summon the cars at the event? So that's another big question for people.